we're gonna start removing the this right here, this cover. Vamos a remover este plástico de acá. Okay, we're gonna remove this bolt right here and this one right here, which is 7 millimeters. Vamos a remover esos dos tornillos que están ahí, que es número 7. Okay. Now we're gonna pull it. Vamos a jalar esto de acá. So you just pull it. Okay, we're gonna remove the connectors over here. Vamos a remover los conectores que tiene acá. A ver si podemos hacerle un zoom acá. Okay, so we're just gonna press. We're just gonna press the top over here of the connectors. Just press down, nomás empuja el seguro este que tiene hacia abajo y luego lo jalas. Just press down and then pull it. On this one, on this plug right here for this light switch, we just have to press inside right here. Just press down and then pull it. Okay, on this one right here, let me see if I can get it right. Okay, on this one right here, you just have to push that way, back there, back. And then it come off. On this one right here, we just have to press this top down and then pull it. Press this one down and then pull it. It just come off. Nomás lo empujas hacia abajo y sale. Okay, this is the one that I have noise right now on this one. So este es el actuador que está haciendo el ruido ahora, el que hace el ruido que escuchamos anteriormente. Y también tiene el otro actuador por este lado acá. O sea que tiene dos de este lado y dos del otro lado. Entonces tienes que saber tienes que buscar cuál es el que está haciendo el ruido para poder reemplazarlo. En este caso es este. So, you know, there is a 4 blender actuators. 2 on this side, 1 right here. And then the other one on this side right here. Is right there. So, and then there is another 2 on the other side. So just make sure, you know, check that up. And then there is another 2 over there. So just make sure you're going to replace the right one. Solo asegúrate que reemplaces el correcto. Es todo. Vamos a remover el que nosotros tenemos malo, que es ese de allá. Ok, si escuchan ese ruido. Ok, voy a poner la mano en él. I'm going to put the hands on it. And you will hear that. You hear that? So that's the one that's making noise. I'm going to use the T20 to get it out. Voy a usar la T20 para poder sacar el tornillo de ahí. There is not that much room, guys. So no tiene mucho. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here now. Okay. No hay mucho espacio acá, por eso es que se complica un poco la removida. We don't have that much room, that's why it's kind of complicated to get the bolts out of there, so I wish I can do it right there, but and then I'm working with just one hand, so okay, we got one out. Ya quitamos uno. That's the one right here. We're gonna remove the second bolt. Okay, we got the second one. And okay, now we're just gonna pull it. Just pull it out. Okay, it's already loose. Okay. So now we have to press that red thing right there. Press it out. Okay, and then just come off. Just pull this red clip out and then push this black thing right here, the black top right here down, and then pull it. So nomás aplastas jalas esto hacia afuera, el rojo, lo jalas hacia afuera y aplastas esta parte negra hacia abajo y jalas el plug y sale el actuador. Listo.